Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing along in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just find it on Amazon. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 121. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. Got a 3 here. So 4, 5, 4, 5, and that means our 3 has to be here. For this row, we're just missing a 2. If we look at this column here, looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 6. A 1 here, so 3, 6. We look at this box, then we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 here and a 1 there, so this is our 3. And that 1 makes this our 2 and 1. For this row then, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 4. And no help here, so 3, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. Again, we've got that 5 there. So 1, 4. We've got a 4 up here, so 1, 5. We look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got the 5 here. So 6, 8. Did we mess up already? Because we got a 6 and 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we should be missing 5, 6, and 8. But we've got 2 boxes to fill here. Well, I guess that is it for today's puzzle. Comment down below if you see where I already managed to mess up. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you're having a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next puzzle.